Good evening and happy Friday, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe and healthy. I'm doing this video today because I actually have the time because we're in quarantine to do a blowout video and how I press out this textured hair. Now, normally in all of my videos, my hair is curly or it's pulled up in a bun, yada, yada, yada. But this is more targeted towards the Great Clips community. A lot of the stylists want to know how I did it and what steps did I take and what products did I use. So I'm hoping that this is helpful to you all. And I will list all the products below that I used in the hair. And you can kind of it's kind of self-explanatory. So you'll be able to see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So with that being said, we'll get started with that. Have a great day.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Now that is the normal process that I go through. It just all depends on the texture of the hair. Sometimes my hair is not so coarse and not so thick. So sometimes it takes a little longer with thicker or coarser hair. But that's basically the step that you would take to press out someone's curly hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you can also leave comments below. I'm always welcome to comments and critiques or, whatever. Anyway, I hope to see you guys next time, and thank you again for your support. I'm out.